Okay, so I'll be honest, I didn't necessarily need new blinds, but when Bringnox reached out and offered me to review these smart blinds, I figured why not see if they could actually improve the overall look and feel of my home. And honestly, after installing them in multiple rooms, there are definitely some things I like and a few things you should know before you purchase them. What's going on, everyone? It's Jimmy, and today we are looking over the Bringnox shades. So they reached out and offered to send me over some custom blinds for reviewing, and instead of just throwing this one up somewhere random, I decided to actually integrate them into spaces I use every day. So I installed them in the bedroom, office, and kitchen sliding doors to see how they would look, feel, and function in a real home setup. Now, if I'm being completely honest, this wasn't really about fixing a major problem. For me, it was actually more about the aesthetics. I wanted to see if adding these would make the space feel a little more cleaner, more modern, and just elevate the overall vibe of the house. And because my office, bedroom, kitchen, sliding doors are all on the west side of the house, sunlight is a thing. When the sunset hits here in Florida, you definitely feel it. So having another layer of sun protection honestly just made sense in my head. Now, when it came to the installation process, the process itself was actually pretty straightforward. Measuring carefully, mounting the brackets, snap the blinds in, and you're pretty much good to go. And since these are custom made, measurements definitely matter. And they have a whole how to measure system on their website for you guys to check out. But one thing is, depending on your window setup, there are a few things worth considering before you order. So here's something I want to mention to keep the review honest. Depending on the obstacles around your window frame or how your window is designed, you may still have some light pouring out through the sides and have to remeasure so that it doesn't hit any obstacles. And that's actually one of the reasons why I kept my existing blinds and curtains in certain rooms like the office and the bedroom. Not because these don't work, but because I personally like using them to reduce the heat coming from the sun. So for me, it's actually a combination thing. The existing blinds help, and these add privacy, aesthetics, and extra light control. So a few things that I really liked about these shades. One, the aesthetics. These definitely made the room feel cleaner. Two would be the convenience. The motorized feature is actually really nice, especially on a bigger window like the kitchen sliding doors. And then third, the added sun protection. For west-facing rooms, having another layer between you and that Florida sunset honestly helps. Finally, for the premium feel, they just made the house feel more modern and up to date. So when it comes down to the final verdict, honestly, I've enjoyed having them. And I think if you're someone looking to improve the aesthetics of your home, add another layer of privacy and sun protection, or you just want a cleaner, modern look, they are definitely worth considering. But remember, just go into it understanding your window setup matters. Measurements matter, and depending on the room, you may still want to layer them with your existing blinds or curtains. So if you want to check them out, I'll link them down below. And if you enjoy honest home and tech reviews like this, hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you guys into the next video. Peace.